We are a specialist implant manufacturer producing products with a wide variety of features. We have a broad range of breast implants coming in both round and anatomical shapes. We produce products with different types of gel. All of our gel is sourced from US FDA suppliers. We use different types of gel when we manufacture our products. We use soft cohesive gel for our round range, and we use high cohesive form stable gel for our anatomical range. We produce products with different fill volumes, partially filled products which give a more natural look, and fully filled products which give a fuller appearance, which some of our patients prefer. And we produce products with different types of texturing. Lightly textured products for our round range, and more deeply textured products, which is important for our anatomical range. All of our products are CE marked, and our facilities operate to the highest standards. We're regularly visited by the notified bodies and the health authorities from around the world. We operate quality management systems according to ISO 13485 and 14607. We have a long-standing commitment to producing products to the highest quality and safety standards. We do this in three ways. We source our silicone materials from US FDA-approved suppliers, and we test these at incoming inspection for both physical and chemical parameters. Secondly, during the design phase of product development, we perform impact, compression and fatigue testing on our products, and we also do mechanical tests to ensure that our products pass the 450% elongation test. And during manufacture, we 100% test our products for both air testing, thickness and visual defects. We've been producing breast implant for over 20 years and have a strong track record for product safety. The industry has seen many changes, the most important of which is the reclassification of our products to Class 3, the highest standard for medical devices. This is in the best interest of both the patients and the medical community. What this has meant for us as manufacturers is increased clinical trials, post-marketing surveillance and vigilance systems, as well as more regular reporting to the health authorities. And as a leading manufacturer of breast implants, we fully support these changes. The future is very bright for us as the breast implant market is continuing to grow, so it's a very exciting time for us all. And as an innovative company, we're investing heavily in the research and development of our products. And this year alone, we'll introduce many new products and have an exciting pipeline for the future. We're engaging with world-renowned key opinion leaders and the GC Aesthetics Advisory Board. These will evaluate new product concepts and innovative designs. This will ensure that our product meet the needs of the medical community and the patients.